You clicked on this video because you simply want to learn how you can start dropshipping in 2025. And in 2025, there's so many other videos on YouTube on how you can start dropshipping. Why should you even listen to me, and why should you even watch this video in full? The reason behind this is very, very simple. What you're seeing on YouTube right now is 99% low ticket dropshipping. And you might be wondering, what is low ticket dropshipping? What are you talking about in terms of dropshipping? Well, $30 products or $50 products, and you're sourcing them from AliExpress, Caesar Dropshipping, AutoDS, all of these quote unquote suppliers, even though they're not even suppliers, and you're just building a one product store on Shopify, and then you're running Facebook or TikTok ads to it. And the reason why this business model sucks is I tried this business model multiple times. My clients have tried this multiple times, and they have failed. It's not because of them. I'm sure they can succeed if the business model was actually better. I do a business model called high ticket dropshipping, which I'm going to explain how you can get started today. The main differences between high ticket dropshipping and low ticket dropshipping is that high ticket dropshipping, you're using USA suppliers or local based suppliers where you have fast shipping times, high quality products, and actually suppliers that you can communicate with. Using AliExpress or using any other Chinese suppliers or sources where you can't even talk to the supplier directly, where you can't even communicate, where you can't even see their products in person, those are not suppliers that you want to work with. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with high ticket dropshipping now. Step 1 is business setup. This is a real business, so you want to be setting up an LLC. An LLC stands for Legal Limited Liability Company. And LLCs are very important because this shows to a supplier, or aka the people that you're going to be working with inside this business model, that you are legit. And an LLC is very, very important. You also will need a EIN, which is a employer identification number. Now, you don't actually have to be in the US to set up an LLC or EIN. We do have partners. I recommend using Doola, D-O-O-L-A, that can actually help you form an LLC, get you EIN if you're outside the US. You also will need banking, credit cards as well, so you can operate your business and actually be able to transact orders within your payment processor. Step 2, which is going to be niche selection. We want to pick a niche because we want to hone in on our products that we want to be selling on our store. We want to pick products that have 30,000 monthly search volume. We want to pick 3 to 5 product types inside of a niche. We want to be niche down, and in terms of our domain, we want our domain to have less than 3 words. Now, step 3 is going to be website setup. The reason why we want to set up a website is we want to present our website to our suppliers that we're going to be working with. And the best way to create a professional website is to mirror already sites that are doing really, really well. Some examples of this are going to be barbecueguys.com, recoveryforathletes.com, and nordicasaunas.com. Those are all professional high-ticket e-commerce businesses that you can mirror. Step 4, we're going to actually now acquire suppliers. And the best way to acquire suppliers is literally looking at Google Shopping. So if you go to Google Shopping and type in buy sauna online, if you go to the bottom left, or if you click on other websites that are dropshipping as well, you can find a manufacturer that produces those products, and you can search those manufacturers on Google, find their phone number or email, and contact them to become a dealer. I highly recommend you to call the suppliers versus emailing. And the reason behind this is most people are very lazy and they're going to just email the supplier, and they probably are just blasted with emails every single day. So doing a simple phone call will set you up and differentiate you from all the other people that are just trying to become a dealer for them as well. Step 5, now we have suppliers. All we really need to do is just upload the suppliers' products. We want to optimize our website, make sure our website looks good, our homepage is built out, our product pages look high quality, and they can actually convert leads into sales. Now it's time to launch ads and get the right traffic to our products. We want to use a high, medium, and low campaign structure. So 3 shopping campaigns for our brand. And the reason why we want to do this is we want to advertise directly on Google where customers are already looking to buy our products. So how our funnel works is top of funnel, medium funnel, and low funnel. The low funnel and medium funnel is where we want to spend 70% of our budget, and we want to target people that are actively searching for our brand name plus product type. And we also want to target people that are looking for the brand name in terms of a product type. For example, if you sell a sauna made by Sunray, you want to target Sunray Sauna. Or if someone's searching Sunray Sauna Baldwin, which is a very specific model, you also want to bid on those search terms. And the reason why we want to do this is people typing in those search terms into Google are already looking to buy, and you don't have to convince them to buy. All you need to do is show your ads up in front of their search term and get them to actually buy from your store. So again, we want to start with 70% of our budget going to the low and medium campaigns and 30% of our budget going to the high campaign. we want to start with this distribution and spend more on the high campaign over time to grow our business. So after you've done all those 5 steps, it's really just rinse and repeating. You should be able to hit your first sale within the first week of launching ads. Now it's time to scale and hire sales reps. And the last step is going to be scaling plus hiring. This is where things become more fun and you can actually step away from your business. The reason why we want to hire sales reps to close sales for our stores, because in this business model called high ticket dropshipping, you're going to have your phone number display on your store. Display your personal phone number. You can get a business number using something like Open Phone, and you usually want to pick those phone calls up because those are people that are actively reaching out. They might have some simple questions and you just need to answer them, and then you can close them into sales. And you want to hire sales reps and customer service agents so you can actually remove yourself from the business. And the last step is going to be building SOPs to streamline your operations. SOPs stand for standard operating procedures, and SOPs are just a way so your employees and your future team members can follow a step-by-step format in terms of what they need to be doing on the day-to-day to actually help you make sales, and at the end of the day, them providing value to your company, and therefore you can actually pay them. So again, those are the 6 very, very high level steps in terms of how you can start high ticket dropshipping in a nutshell. Now I want to keep it short. I don't want to go into so much detail because it's very hard to explain the detail just over a simple YouTube video. So I highly encourage you to join my free school community down below in the description to learn how you can build your own high ticket dropshipping store completely for free. And we also have a second option, which is one-on-one coaching. So if you want to work with my team and I to help you build a high ticket dropshipping store, the 10K month profit, there's that option down below as well. I highly recommend you to take action on one of those 2. And with that being said, if you have any questions, drop in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. And as always, I hope you guys took away value, and until next time.